Hello guys, welcome back to TechAbro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you clear your recently playlist on Spotify. So guys, to clear recently playlist on Spotify, you can just clear your recently playlist from your followers. So to do that, at first you need to go to your Spotify account and click the top left your profile icon. Now from here, the last option you can see settings and privacy, click on it. Now after going to settings and privacy, you need to just go to your privacy and social, this option, the middle one. Now after going here, you can see the second option is private session, which will temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. So if you just click on this icon, it will be automatically end after 6 hours. So that's how you can clear recently played on Spotify. Hope you found this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. TechAbro. Thank you so much for watching the video.